Sup guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make the Bambu Lab wireless mouse kit 3D prints and how you can download them and import them. Let's go. First, obviously, open up Google, type in Maker World, click on it. It's not working right now. Oh, there we go. Next, you're gonna search up Bambu Lab wireless mouse kit. Going right now. Next, you're gonna be selecting any one of these files. For example, if I wanted to do this one, this hexagrip, I would then see if you're fine with what these would look like. Then you would click on download STL/CAD files. The STL file is what you use for your printer. So I'm gonna click download, but I already downloaded all mine, so you can download 5 of these. If you want the best progress, I would download the bottom shell and inner shell, the shell and the top shell and battery cover. That's what you should do if you're doing it. And once you click download, it should bring it to here, and your downloads should pop up, but it won't pop up for me since I already did it. Next, what you're gonna do is look up what your slicer tool is for your printer. For me, it's the Creality Print 6.3. Since I have a Creality printer, I'm gonna allow this to boot up. Or if you want, you can click on, if you bring out one of the, the mouse folder, like here you can see. But if you click on the support file and click open, don't click anything. Just wait it to load because it will close out. And then it will show what your thing is. Then gotta do slice plate and then send print. Then you'll select your device, but you gotta turn it on. Then you will click send print only. If you start it, you might mess something up, like you might not be ready. And yeah, if you want to assemble it, go to my first video because that also has a assembly guide in it.